Let's prepare new rails and sleepers for the replacement.
ये वीडियो बहुत ही खूबसूरत होने वाली है, तो वीडियो को आखिर तक देखें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।
Let's remove the demolition waste and construct a new building. Let's assemble a timber loader. Don't stop. Let's load the details for rails onto the timber loader. Hooray! Let's prepare new rails and sleepers for the replacement. We need to wash the timber loader. Keep it up. Let's assemble the crane. Hooray! Let's fuel the crane. Pump. That's all. Let's replace the old rails. Let's weld a crack on the crane. We did it! Let's grind the welding seam. Hooray! Look at the cloud and choose the same color on the spray gun. We did it! Let's assemble a rail grinder. Hooray! Let's fuel the rail grinder. Pump. Hooray! Let's polish the new rails to a shine. We need to wash the rail grinder. Keep it up. We need to assemble a demolition excavator. Hooray! And now we need to fuel the demolition excavator. Pump. That's all. Let's bring down the old building. Let's weld a crack on the demolition excavator. Ready. And now let's grind the seam. Ready. Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint. Hooray! We need to assemble the flat car. Hooray! Let's load the flat car. Keep up the good work. Let's remove the demolition waste and construct a new building. Let's wash the flat car. That's all. Let's assemble the crane with cargo bed. Don't stop! Let's fuel the crane with cargo bed. Pump. Keep it up. Let's install the roof for the railway crossing. Let's weld a crack on the crane with cargo bed. Hooray! And now let's grind the seam. Amazing! Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint the stain. That's all. Let's assemble the dray scene. You're doing really great. Let's load the traffic lights and crossing gates onto the mine cart. Keep up the good work. We need traffic lights and crossing gates to regulate traffic on the crossing. Let's wash the dressing. Done! We need to assemble a traction locomotive. You're doing really great. Let's fuel the traction locomotive. Pump. Amazing! Let's check the work of traffic lights and crossing gates. Let's weld a crack on the traction locomotive. Done! And now let's grind the seam. That's all. Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint the stain. Amazing! First, let's assemble the train. Go on. Ready. A train is approaching the crossing. Let's put the gates down to avoid an accident. Good job! Now cars can cross the railroad safely.